Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the application. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon. And on the devices page, you should see your HUAWEI Watch Fit 3 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. On this page, scroll down and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap on Restore. And the watch will disappear from the devices page and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. As you can see, the factory reset is complete because the list of languages appeared on the screen. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.